Starting your own business is an exciting yet daunting endeavor. There is so much to learn and it can be overwhelming to figure out where to start. But don't fret. One of the best ways to prepare for launching your own business is to read up on all the tips and strategies shared by successful entrepreneurs. That's why we've compiled this list of 14 books to read before launching your business. Each of these books offers invaluable advice and insights to help you get your business off the ground. 1. The Lean Startup. The Lean Startup, written by Eric Ries, is a must-read for any entrepreneur looking to launch their business. The book offers a methodology to help entrepreneurs navigate the startup process more effectively and efficiently. It encourages experimentation, iteration, and learning from data-driven decisions. The Lean Startup method advocates for fast product development cycles and shortening the time it takes to get your product to market. It emphasizes launching an MVP, minimum viable product, to gain feedback from customers in order to iterate and refine the product or service. The Lean Startup also stresses the importance of testing out different business models to figure out which one will be most successful. It suggests focusing on customer needs and building a business that provides value to those customers. In summary, the Lean Startup offers a practical guide to creating a successful business venture. By following the methods outlined in this book, entrepreneurs can avoid some of the common pitfalls of launching a business and increase their chances of success. 2. The Millionaire Fastlane. The Millionaire Fastlane is a popular book written by author and entrepreneur M.J. DeMarco. It is designed to help aspiring entrepreneurs achieve financial freedom and create their own paths to success. The book teaches readers to break away from the traditional 9-to-5 lifestyle and teaches them to become financially independent through entrepreneurialism. It shows readers how to invest in real estate, start businesses, and build multiple income streams. It also provides a roadmap to financial freedom and offers advice on how to deal with adversity and turn obstacles into opportunities. The Millionaire Fastlane emphasizes that success does not happen overnight. Instead, it takes hard work, dedication, and focus to reach financial freedom. By utilizing the strategies laid out in the book, readers can take control of their own financial destiny and achieve true wealth. 3. The Startup of You. The Startup of You by Reid Hoffman and Ben Casnocha is a must-read for entrepreneurs who are looking to start their own business. This book offers invaluable advice on how to succeed in a world that is constantly changing and unpredictable. The authors draw upon their experiences as founders of LinkedIn and other startups, providing examples of how to create a business plan and build a successful team. Additionally, they provide guidance on how to adjust to rapid changes in the marketplace and develop relationships with potential customers and partners. Through their guidance, readers will learn how to take advantage of opportunities, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and create a unique career path for themselves. With its combination of practical advice, real-life examples, and inspiring stories, The Startup of You is essential reading for anyone looking to launch their own business. 4. The Art of Possibility. The Art of Possibility by Rosamund and Benjamin Zander is a powerful book that explores the idea of possibility and how to make it a reality. The authors explore how you can use the power of imagination and possibility to transform your life, business, and career. The Art of Possibility encourages readers to move beyond the status quo and reach for their highest potential. It also provides practical guidance on how to create a life of success and fulfillment, including goal setting, action steps, and how to build and maintain relationships. The authors provide inspiring stories of people who have achieved success through embracing possibility. By understanding how to unlock the power of imagination and possibility, readers can become more confident in themselves and make their dreams come true. The Art of Possibility is a must-read for any entrepreneur looking to take their business to the next level. 5. The Power of Intention. The power of intention is an essential concept for entrepreneurs to understand. The power of intention refers to the idea that your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions can have a powerful influence on the outcomes you achieve. Intention isn't simply wishing or hoping for something, it requires taking action in order to manifest what you want. When entrepreneurs set an intention, they are stating their purpose and setting themselves up to align their actions with that purpose. This could be launching a business, creating a product or service, developing a marketing strategy, or anything else related to starting a business. The more focused and intentional you are about what you want, the more likely you are to succeed. Setting an intention can help entrepreneurs stay motivated and focused on their goals. It can also help entrepreneurs make decisions more quickly and confidently, since they know exactly what they are trying to accomplish. Being intentional can help entrepreneurs break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps that will ultimately lead to success. Intention also encourages creativity. By setting an intention, you open yourself up to the possibility of achieving something greater than what you originally thought was possible. You open yourself up to new ideas, perspectives, and solutions that may have otherwise gone undiscovered. The power of intention is an invaluable asset for entrepreneurs. By setting clear intentions, taking action, and staying focused on your goals, you can create powerful results in your business. 6. The 4-Hour Workweek. The 4-Hour Workweek, written by Tim Ferriss, is an inspiring book that provides readers with the knowledge and motivation to rethink their approach to work and living. It encourages readers to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 lifestyle and pursue the freedom of entrepreneurship. In this book, Ferriss outlines the 4-Hour Workweek, 4HWW, system, which is a combination of different principles and techniques for simplifying your business and achieving greater results in less time. Through this system, you can reduce the amount of time spent working and increase the amount of time spent doing what you love. The 4HWW system starts with eliminating wasteful activities, tasks, and processes that take up precious time. Ferriss also teaches readers how to outsource tasks that can be done more efficiently by someone else. He also explains how to make use of digital tools and services to automate certain parts of your business. Ferriss also covers how to create leverage in your business, such as creating multiple income streams, outsourcing the most important parts of your business, and making use of marketing automation. Finally, he explains the importance of developing yourself personally and professionally to become more successful. Overall, the 4-Hour Workweek provides entrepreneurs with an eye-opening perspective on how to achieve success with a fraction of the time normally required. By applying the principles and techniques outlined in this book, entrepreneurs can gain more control over their time, allowing them to focus on the things that truly matter in life. 7. The E-Myth Revisited. The E-Myth Revisited is a must-read book for any entrepreneur. Written by Michael Gerber, this book provides insights into the realities of starting and running a business. It offers insight into the common pitfalls many entrepreneurs face and provides invaluable advice on how to avoid them. The E-Myth Revisited focuses on the idea that most entrepreneurs do not fully understand their businesses. In it, Gerber suggests that entrepreneurs must understand every aspect of their business from sales and marketing to accounting and legal. He recommends that entrepreneurs take the time to learn all aspects of their business in order to ensure success. Gerber also stresses the importance of systems and processes in running a successful business. He believes that entrepreneurs must have clearly defined systems and processes in place in order to avoid wasting time and resources. Additionally, Gerber emphasizes the importance of delegating tasks and outsourcing in order to save time and ensure efficiency. The E-Myth Revisited provides invaluable advice to entrepreneurs looking to launch and run a successful business. By providing insight into the realities of running a business and emphasizing the importance of systems and processes, Gerber's book provides invaluable advice for any aspiring entrepreneur. 8. The $100 Startup. Reinvent the Way You Make a Living, Do What You Love, and Create a New Future by Chris Guillebeau is one of the most popular books in the startup world. This book gives readers advice on how to start their own business with minimal resources and risk. It covers topics like finding and refining your idea, setting up and growing your business, and marketing and networking tips. It also includes case studies of successful entrepreneurs that show readers how to turn their ideas into reality. With this book, readers will learn how to create a business that is both profitable and meaningful. The $100 Startup is a great resource for anyone looking to launch their own business and make a difference in the world. 9. The Innovator's Dilemma. If you're a business owner, you've likely heard of The Innovator's Dilemma by Clayton Christensen. This classic book, which was published in 1997, is now considered one of the most influential business books of all time. The Innovator's Dilemma explains how traditional businesses are unable to keep up with the ever-changing demands of the modern economy. Christensen argues that most established companies are hesitant to invest in new technologies and innovations due to the fear of disrupting their existing business model. He also explains why some companies succeed and others fail despite seemingly having all the resources and capabilities they need to stay ahead of the competition. Christensen provides some powerful insights into how businesses can stay competitive by focusing on customer needs and responding to industry trends. The book also explains how companies can use innovation as a way to drive growth and profits. Whether you're just getting started in the business world or have been in the game for years, The Innovator's Dilemma is essential reading if you want to stay ahead of the competition. 10. The Startup Owner's Manual. The Startup Owner's Manual is a must-read for anyone looking to launch their own business. Written by Steve Blank and Bob Dorff, this book provides a comprehensive guide on how to effectively launch and manage a successful startup. It covers topics such as customer discovery, product development, and building effective teams. The book starts off with a look at the basics of entrepreneurship and why entrepreneurs should not rely solely on their own intuition. It then delves into the details of developing and launching a product, including customer research, product design, and marketing. The authors also provide advice on creating an effective team and setting up an organizational structure that can accommodate growth. Finally, the book offers tips on how to avoid common mistakes and stay focused on your goals. By combining case studies from some of the most successful startups in the world with practical advice, the Startup Owner's Manual provides a comprehensive roadmap for success. Whether you are just getting started or looking to grow your business, this book will provide you with the tools you need to achieve your goals. 11. Business Model Generation. When it comes to launching a business, one of the most important decisions you'll make is how to structure your business model. This is where Business Model Generation by Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Pigneur comes in. The book outlines 9 building blocks for creating effective business models, including customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, and cost structures. In addition to providing an in-depth explanation of the elements of a business model, the authors offer numerous case studies of successful business models that have been implemented in real-world businesses. By studying these successful models, readers can gain valuable insight into what it takes to create and sustain a successful business. 12. The Lean Entrepreneur. The Lean Entrepreneur is an invaluable resource for entrepreneurs looking to launch their own business. Written by renowned entrepreneur and author Brant Cooper, the book dives deep into the Lean methodology, which helps entrepreneurs gain a competitive edge through efficient development processes, market research, and more. The Lean Entrepreneur provides practical tips and strategies on how to build an effective product or service quickly, accurately measure customer feedback, and pivot quickly when necessary. Additionally, the book offers insight into gaining a foothold in an industry, raising capital, and creating a culture of experimentation and learning. Ultimately, the Lean Entrepreneur provides entrepreneurs with the skills necessary to become successful in the ever-evolving startup landscape. 13. Value Proposition Design. Value Proposition Design is a book written by Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Pigneur that focuses on creating value propositions for products and services. The authors argue that a successful business needs to understand what its customers really need, and how to meet those needs in an efficient and innovative way. The book provides a step-by-step framework for creating a value proposition, and it covers the basics of market research, customer segmentation, and pricing strategies. The authors also offer insights on how to design an effective user experience, develop a sales and distribution model, and create compelling communication materials. Value Proposition Design offers an invaluable guide for entrepreneurs looking to launch their own business. It will equip them with the tools and strategies needed to craft a winning value proposition that will give their business a competitive edge in the marketplace. 14. Running Lean. The Lean startup methodology has become increasingly popular in recent years, with more and more entrepreneurs using it as the foundation of their business launch. In the book, Running Lean, Ash Moria provides an innovative framework for creating a successful product or service launch. He covers key topics such as understanding your customer, iterative design cycles, and rapid experimentation. The main idea behind the Lean startup method is that companies should focus on quickly building and testing a minimal viable product, MVP, to validate customer assumptions and market interest. This allows you to iteratively improve your product and tweak your business model until you reach the optimal solution. The Lean startup methodology is based on the idea of validated learning and focuses on reducing risk in building a successful product or service launch. Moria's book provides numerous case studies and actionable advice on how to run a successful Lean startup. He discusses key concepts such as the build, measure, learn loop, value proposition design, customer development, and business models. He also provides helpful advice on how to create a hypothesis-driven plan and set up experiments. Running Lean is an essential read for anyone looking to launch their own business using the Lean startup methodology. It's filled with useful advice that can help you take your business ideas from concept to reality in a faster, more efficient way. Was the video helpful? Please like and subscribe to Capital Investments.